Hello everybody, I welcome you all to the physics department of MS University of Baroda. Today I want to tell you something very special about our department for the sake of the students who are intent to come to this department to seek higher education. So the Department of Physics at the Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda was established in the year of 1949. Department is running UG and PG courses and the MSc courses offers 4 specialization, namely condensed matter physics, electronics and communication, nuclear physics and molecular spectroscopy. The department is also equipped with 2 of the oldest and very famous observatories, and these are the astronomical observatory and the meteorological observatory. And a sizable number of students is being selected for higher studies in premier institutions of India as well as seeking admissions abroad. All members of teaching staff are equipped with desktop computer with the net facility and their desk, and research labs have advanced equipment and workstations of higher configured computers for advanced theoretical work. The department had been awarded University Grants Commission's Department Research Support DRS Phase 1, Phase 2 and Phase 3 and COSISH program, and the Department of Science and Technology had awarded DST FIST program in condensed matter physics as thrust research area. Subsequently, University Grants Commission New Delhi has awarded DSA Phase 1 in the thrust area of condensed matter physics and nuclear physics. Research students in physics find support through our world-class faculty and high-tech facilities. The department has at present 16 faculty members plus similar number of temporary faculty members and many research scholars. Classroom teach loads are held to be a level that encourages excellence in teaching and research and allows research students to receive maximum attention. Frequent seminars and regular colloquia attract many distinguished visiting physicists to the campus, which further stimulates an activity of research environment. Many faculty members in physics are internationally recognized in their various fields of research and specialization. Various funding agencies have been granted more than 3 crores of rupees for supporting our research activities in various fields, while the department has also obtained crores of rupees during the last 5 years. The research interest of the department cover experimental and theoretical condensed matter physics, material science, experimental nuclear physics, spectroscopy, theoretical particle physics, astrophysics. The research laboratories are well equipped by TDPSC setup, thin film coating unit, conductivity and Hall effect, UV visual, NIR spectrophotometer, impedance gain phase analyzer, X-ray diffractometer, closed cycle cryogenic system, Keithley electrometer, Keithley programmable constant current source, Keithley programmable nano voltmeter, LCR meter, digital single pan microvalence, gamma ray spectrometer, FTIR spectrometer, thermal analyzer, AFM's workstations and cluster computing facility, or we call it supercomputers. Right now we are in the famous meteorological observatory of our department. This observatory is well known and very famous in Gujarat because this is the one of its kind observatory that has been established by our well known educationist, philanthropist and visionary, His Highness Maharaja Sir Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III, with the objective of to get useful and very accurate data of meteorological evidence. And I am proud to say that this observatory has given data since last 100 years. It was established in somewhere in 1898, and these data that has been collected by this observatory has been used by several industry and companies for their construction purpose and for other research purpose also. And the rain data that we are observing every day during the monsoon has been given to the Collectorate of Baroda as well as to our students for their project work and so on. Observatory is a gift from the late His Excellency our Maharaja Sir Sayaji Rao Gaikwad ji. It was built during the Second World War and it was commissioned for the public use since 1939, and then it was dedicated to the students once again after the remodeling and reviving in 1979. And this observatory is in the charge of head physics department. And this observatory was visited by very well known scientists and astronomers, people like Professor Jayant Narlikar, Professor Arvind Bhatnagar and Professor J.N. Desai. And at present some technical aspect of this telescope is that it is having a diameter of 8 inches, focal length of 300 centimeter, focal ratio of f/15, magnification of 100 and 105, resolution is 0.6 inch, commissioned in 1939 and remodeled and started in 1997. This telescope is dedicated to the students and researchers for various events, major events. There were several major events that had been conducted during the last several years, and so we are still using it.